Hey team, I'm Maddie. Welcome to Science Side Up, and today we are talking about the tropopause. The tropopause is the boundary between the troposphere and the stratosphere. So in this picture, it is literally this line. And 9 times out of 10, you can think of the tropopause as a lid or a cap. It's really, really hard for air that's in the troposphere to get up into the stratosphere and vice versa. It's really hard for air in the stratosphere to get down into the troposphere. We know that temperature decreases in the troposphere, but then increases in the stratosphere. One way to think about the tropopause is that it's where that change occurs. In the video where we talked about these layers of the atmosphere, I mentioned that there's this weird little spot where temperature is almost constant with height. That is the tropopause. This is known as the lapse rate definition of the tropopause. Lapse rate is just the rate at which temperature changes with height. So it's the slope of this line. And the lapse rate definition of the tropopause, it's not the only way to define the tropopause. You could also define it like chemically or dynamically, but it is probably the simplest and the most commonly used. Those other definitions are a little complicated for a 101 video. Why is the tropopause important? Why am I spending a whole video on this one feature? Well, one, having a tropopause, the fact that it exists, that we can think of the troposphere as having a hard cap, dramatically simplifies our dynamics a lot of the time. So it changes the way we think about the weather. For people who have taken a differential equations class, this acts as a boundary condition. We can say we have a wall here. It's also a feature that we're gonna talk about a lot more in the future, so I wanted to make sure that we have a quick explanation of what this thing actually is. Okay team, that's all I've got for you today. I hope you liked this video, and I will see you all in the next one. I think that's it. I think I made that video. Cool.